In this video, I'm going to show you how to write Arabic in Canva. Now, we have a few options. The easiest one is the following. So when you go to Canva, you want to click on the text box over here on the left-hand side, and you want to put on a heading. Now, if you have an Arabic keyboard and you want to use that on your Windows computer, for example, you could go ahead and go down to the very bottom in your taskbar, and then here you want to click on where you can see your languages, click on them, and click on More Keyboard Settings. In here, to actually enable your Arabic keyboard, you want to click on Add a Language. Go up top where it says Type a Language Name. You want to type in Arabic, and then you want to select the one you want. Install it by clicking Next over here, and then you want to simply switch onto that keyboard over here. You can then go back to Canva, and you can start typing in Arabic. However, if you don't want to do that, or for some reason you actually don't have an Arabic keyboard or something, you could also start writing Arabic in Canva by going to, for example, Google and typing in Arabic keyboard, and then you can just open up something like this where it says Arabic keyboard online. You can click on that, and then it's going to pop up an Arabic keyboard where you can basically go ahead and type in whatever you want here, and it's going to start generating some text on your screen. And then you can just copy this by hovering over it, click and right click, and then copy. You could go back to Canva and you can just paste this in here, and as you can see, you have some Arabic writing in here. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's how to write Arabic in Canva. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.